And here's I'll show you how to upload and sell t-shirts on Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and in this left-hand menu, go to products section. And now here we have to upload our t-shirt. So click on add product. And now in this title box, write the title for the t-shirt or the product that you want to sell. And in this description box, add the description for your product. And now we have to upload our t-shirt images. So click on upload new, and you will be able to upload images, videos, and 3D models. So go ahead and upload your product medias. And now here you can change your product category. So I'm selling apparels and accessories, clothing, t-shirts. Here's I've added my category of product. And now here add your product price, and you can add a compare at price here. And you can enable charge tags on the product by checking this box. And here you can enable track quantity. And here make sure to check this option. This is a physical product. And add here your product weight. Select here kg, lb, og, or g. And here we have to add variants for t-shirts. So click on add options like size or color. So here connect meta field. First of all, let's add color. And here first of all we have to add all colors for the t-shirt. So click on this add another option. Click on this color field, and here you will be able to add multiple color. So select multiple color just like so. Just write the color name, and in this box you have to select the specific color. So that's how you will be able to add lots of color variant, and click on done. And now let's add another variant. So I'm clicking on another option, and this time I'm selecting here fabric, for example, and here give fabric name, and that's how you can add multiple fabrics. And now here under variant you can add price separately for individual variants, color, fabric, size. So go ahead and enter price for your variants, and after that in this right hand menu you can change product type, and here you can add a vendor, and collection you can select here collection. You can add tags for your products, and after that all you have to need, make sure to select here product status active and publish the product, and that's it. Here I've successfully uploaded a t-shirt on my Shopify to sell. Now let's see the final preview of this product. Let's open this link, product link. So here's I'm in my Wix website, clicking on shop now, and here's the product t-shirt I just uploaded on my Shopify. So this is how we can actually sell and upload t-shirts on our Shopify. Thanks for watching.